Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Bangladesh to get the latest videos on ELT and linguistics. This is Emil Art, Chairman IELTS and Head of Linguistics Bangladesh with my Phonetics course Part 2B. This video is on use of IPA long vowel sounds in spoken English and shortcut techniques of mastering long vowel phonemic symbols. From this video, you will also learn where from and how each of the long vowel phonemes is produced in our mouth, what is actual tongue position and lips shape in pronouncing each of the long vowel sounds, how to each IPA vowel phonemic symbol learn and look like, practical use of each long vowel phoneme in at least 10 to 20 common words in expressions with rhythm and punch, as well as genuine application of each short vowel sound in effective sentences. If you don't learn appropriate use of IPA sounds, your standard spoken English is just impossible. So this is one of the best videos in learning phonetics. Learn English, buy English, keep watching my English medium videos. Let's get started. Use of IPA long vowel phonemes in English phonetics and shortcut techniques of mastering long vowel phonemic symbols. In my previous video on phonetics and phonology course part 2A, I have discussed 7 short vowel sounds. There are 5 long vowel sounds in International Phonetic Alphabet IPA. Now, I will be discussing each of the 5 long vowel sounds in details. Let's go. IPA long vowel sound number 1. E. 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 As in need. As in team. As in tea. As in she. How to remember the IPA phonemic symbol of long E sound? It looks like small I letter with punctuation mark colon within the slashes. How to pronounce the E sound? It arises from EE and EA vowels. Tongue position high front and lips shape unrounded. When we pronounce the long vowel sound E, our lips remain wide and unrounded. To produce this sound, put your tongue high and at the front position of your mouth and push your lips wide without stress. As in the words these, need, meet, as in beat, team, sheep, leap, as in seek, me, be, as in deep, jeep, beep, as in feel, deal, heal, as in eat, beat, seat, as in kin, sin, thin, as in leave, heap, keep, and so on. In expressions and puns, these, need, meet, e, beat, sheep, leap, e, seek, me, be, e, deep, jeep, beep, e, peel, deal, heal, e, eat, beat, sit, e, kin, sin, tin, e, leave, heap, keep, e, etc. As in sentences, I need meat, keep me free, I feel heal, deep beeps deep, read, speak and feel, be, seeks, this, eat, beat and pit. Practice and practice to be perfect. IPA long vowel sound number 2. Ooh, 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 as in true. Ooh, as in book. Ooh, as in loose. Ooh, as in fruit. How to pronounce the oo sound? It arises from O, UI, UE and O vowels. Tongue position high back and lip shape rounded. To produce the sound, put your tongue high and at the back position of your mouth and push your lips ahead with stress as you are going to kiss someone. How to remember this symbol? It looks like small U letter with punctuation mark colon within the slashes. As in the words boot, loose, gloomy, fruit, true, do, droop, duet, flu, flute, frugal, glue, crew, group, hood, etc. As in expressions and puns, boot, jute, root, ooh, glue, flu, blue, ooh, fruit, jute, root, ooh, food, hood, hood, ooh, do, flute, ooh, true, crew, shrew, ooh, and so on. As in sentences, crew looks good, food, hood, duet, flute, frugal, loses, group, gloomy. Number 3, as in all, as in hall, as in call, as in or. How can you remember? It looks like upside down or reverse C letter with colon within the slashes. How to pronounce the sound? Tongue position low, mid and at the back of your mouth, lips shape rounded. To produce this sound, put your tongue low, mid and at the back of your mouth and slightly push your lips together ahead. As in the words also, for, already, although, organize, law, long, morning, work, word, talk, jaw, mall, fall, tall, wall, etc. As in sentences, all, work, talk, almost, long, in the mall, tall, walls, call, halls. Number 4, as in car, as in star. How can you remember? It looks like handwriting small a letter with colon. How to pronounce long sound? Tongue position is low, open and at the back of your mouth. Lip shape is unrounded and relaxed. As in words first, car, hard, bath, start, ask, large, after, art, bath, ask, spa, party, answer, argue, father, mother, hard, market, etc. As used in rhythm, large car, ask, first, after, answer, bath, start, As used in sentence, mother asked father, after bath, market, fast. I fear long vowel sound number 5. Where, as in word, as in work, as in verb, as in third. How to remember long a phoneme? It looks like digital number 3 with colon punctuation mark within the slashes. How to pronounce the long a sound? Your tongue is open mid and at the central position of your mouth. Lips shape is rounded. As used in words, nerds, verb, third, read, certain, concern, determine, person, service, learn, verb, Thursday, and so on. As in rhythm, word, word, where, when, turn, where, firm, word, word, quad, where, curl, shall, where. As in sentences, nurse serves person. There were certain red curtains. Urban person learn how to learn. I will back soon with my next video on use of diphthong and triphthong vowel sounds. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching this video.